Thank you to Looki for sponsoring this video.
Valentine's Day, especially when you're a married couple, can sometimes feel like the grand gestures. You know the ones. The flowers, the chocolates, the 10-foot teddy bear. But honestly, we get so caught up in those big moments that sometimes we forget to stop and just remember those smaller, quieter moments that make up the rest of our lives. That's where this guy comes in. This is the Looki L1. It's an AI-based camera that passively just sits in the background, watching, listening, and remembering all of these precious moments for you. And it can serve all of this information back to you in both photos, videos, and my personal new obsession, comic book strips. It turns those standard date nights from a fleeting moment into something pretty special that we can always look back on as a couple. You just magnetically wear it around your body. Set it up in story mode to take pictures and videos at set intervals, be that 5, 10 or 15 minutes, and it does the rest for you. You don't have to lift a finger. The app is super intuitive too. It lets you re-watch some of those memories, but it also is where you can talk to the Looki AI. This is basically like having a second memory. For example, I can ask it, hey, what did we eat on our last date night? Just so we're keeping things interesting and always trying out something new. So if you are looking to grab a Looki L1 for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Anyway guys, my name's Ben Robert, this has been Bite Size Clue. Happy Valentine's Day, and I will catch you all in the next one. Adios.